Okay, today I'm going to prepare dinner. So I start with roast. I think let's do this for 125 Fahrenheit, and I prepare the form. So this one looks like they were washed, so I can skip the step. So I'm going to grab the chopping board. So the bag consists of 3 pounds of honey gold bite-sized potatoes. And I just realized maybe I should use 2 baking forms for them. So I'm going to grab another one, like right now, but I cannot stop cutting. That's addictive. Oh wow, that's unacceptable. I think that's enough for 2 baking sheets. What I'm doing right now is to use the parchment paper inside this. The first idea was to omit this and just use olive oil, brush it with olive oil. But then I realized I prefer less fat, so this is my adjustment. Let's do it like this. And where's another one? Another. Oh, here. I think it's like too big. So I think I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon or like 2 tablespoons of olive oil and some salt and black pepper and what else? Maybe some. I was thinking about rosemary seeds, but I think I'm going to stick to herbs de Provence. So only these 3 spices. Some salt. Whoa. Whoa. I feel like the image is not clear, so I'm going to wipe out the lenses and come back in a second. Okay, I'm back. It turned out that the lens was like off because I hit it with the black pepper or something. I mean, there was a lot of dynamics in my move, so that's the result. Sometimes you cannot bend your knees and have the same image, so you need to be careful with your moves. Okay, I just for a second I thought there was light here, but now just a lot of spices. I was generous with the spices, that's why the result. And according to, I did some reading on the internet, and according to the internet, any place like that, skin is on top, like this. So the yellow part is the bottom. This one is bigger. Oh. I'm using 2 hands to distribute potatoes evenly in this form. I feel like because it's like it has taller walls, so like I'm putting potatoes inside. That's my reasoning. Okay, like that. Maybe this was too precise. Oh, it looks like this one is ready. Just place it in the middle, like that. I think right now I'm ready with potatoes, so let's place it like that into the oven. I have some spices here, so maybe a little bit of trying to pour some olive oil onto potatoes like that. Now it's time to place potatoes inside the oven. And for this recipe, I think it should take like 20 minutes, maybe more. Just in case, I'm going to put on some glove. There's only one. Another one. Oh, that's hot. Temperature is perfect. Let's do 10 minutes and then I add an additional 10 minutes. So the next step is to use asparagus. I'm going to use as well strawberries. So the first one is to wash asparagus thoroughly like this. So you can use the crack method, like this. So crack the endings of asparagus. You don't need a knife for that. Okay, so transform this to the steamer. I'm trying to take the thickest one in the middle and the rest like on borders. I don't know why it was my assumption that it's better in the middle, regardless of the method of cooking. And again, I'm going to fill out this container with water. Ah, wow. Oh no. So just make sure that the lid at the back is closed. It is. Here's now, okay. And the next step will be to use strawberries. just realized I need some one ingredient, so I'm coming back to the shelf, and I will be back like in a second. Well, this is the reason I was coming back to the shelf for almonds, but I realized this is not the type I wanted, but what can I say? I don't like this pot, because it's better for baking than what I'm going to use, so no. So I'm not going to use that one. This is recycling. What else? Wow, it's good. It's really good. So the idea here is to, well, I can't stop eating, but the idea here is to add it into slices. And when asparagus is ready, I'm going to place these slices on top of asparagus. And I wanted to use almonds as a topping, but not this time, so tough situation. I have nothing to cover the asparagus, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I think the rest I've used for another purposes. Wow, I think this one is too big. I'm going to eat it. The rest is better for slices. Oh, I was looking for an excuse to eat this fruit, so don't look at me. You can use a bigger strawberry. Oh man, this one is like super dirty. Oh, so I think I'm good with strawberries. It's like half of a cup. And now what I need to do is to set aside to prepare the fish. Onion fish. This goes here. This goes here. This one goes here. And this goes here. And as for the fish, I think I should stop using that before the down here. What I'm presenting here is flounder fillets, and the idea I would be to use. It's here. The idea I would be to use Italian breadcrumbs, and I think I'm going to use 2 eggs. Where is egg? Oh, great! I already have 2 eggs. So grabbing one, placing it here. I just realized I wanted to prepare a sauce for the fish, and I just realized I forget about this step. So I'm going to come back to the fridge again and use something what I wanted for the sauce. And the idea for the sauce, where's like, I don't know, something happening right now. I just realized what happened to it. What's there? Okay, so it's still a cooking process. I think it's not ready. Just let me grab one. No, it's not. So an additional 10 minutes. But this is a great time to use asparagus. I mean, started asparagus, vegetables, and a turkey. And now what I'm looking for is, I don't remember, I bought it yesterday. What happened to it? Did I buy it? Again, I need to come back to the shelf. I just came back. I searched for the capers around my house, and it turned out that I put them into spices. I mean, technically it's a spice, right? But usually I would put it into the shelf, so that's why I was confused. So this one is inedible. And what I'm going to prepare right now, as I mentioned, is some sauce for the fish, which I didn't start to fry. But let's start with the sauce, okay? Shall we? So the idea here is to use, where is? Oh, this one is the best one. Lemon squeezer. Oh, but this lemon is super big. But the idea is to use the half of the lemon. Just make it juice. And now it's super hard to do it like that. I mean, this one is a really big one. That's why maybe just remove the end to feel better. Oh, it's better. Oh. Well, just cover laps up with lemon juice. And then there's, what was that? That was a simmer, right? Yes, so, no, that was, what? That's some water. Yeah, but I think that this one's ready. And what I'm going to add as well is maybe 2 tablespoons. I just realized it. Maybe something like a spoon with some holes. Oh man, it's like big. I need to do it like that because I don't have special utensils to do the job. And what I want to add to this mixture is, well, I need to check the potatoes because I think they are ready right now. Oh, wow, it's so hot. Oh man. Oh my god, super hot. Yes. So off. But I'm not going to remove potatoes from the oven. Well, that's super hot. But I'm going. For this one, this is like remaining cucumber. And the idea for this is to maybe this one. And the idea here is to I wanted to cut it. No, I'm struggling with potato still. I wanted to use cubes, but I feel like I have not enough space to proceed. So what I'm doing is just something like that. Just like thicker steaks, you know. That's what I'm doing here because I don't have time for more fine cutting. Not even sure that this is the great result I was aiming for. Oh man. I wanted to use parsley as well. It doesn't look like a sauce. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to add some of this. Maybe some water. I'm just super curious what's the taste of this mixture. So I'm going to take 1 teaspoon. Well, I don't know this size, so I think I need time to acquire this one. Oh, well, it's super delicate, that one. super delicate fish, really. I'm a little bit afraid how to handle this one. I'm going to place it here. This one is bigger, I guess. I just realized maybe I should separate the yolks from whites to more consistent results. Oh, this one is... Oh, I didn't use this. Oh man, I didn't use this 3 minutes method with... Oh man, too bad. So this one is ready to place on the pan. Adding some... I think the pan is not big enough for all the fillets. So I'm going to fry them in... oh, I just realized I need more breadcrumbs in my hand. What's this? This is like... what I'm doing right now, I don't know. Don't judge. Leave this one a little bit here, a little bit there. Um, 30 seconds. Oh, breadcrumbs, yeah. Oh no, again. Oh, this is like problematic. Okay. Wow, too much. No. Where is... oh, here. So 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Oh man, I need more. Oh no. 1 minute. I need to come back for the oil. I'm not sure where I put it. Okay, I got a new one. Yeah, I put a bit more here. And what I'm going to do is, like, I feel like it's super, just so ready. I don't hate the sound, but it's useful, so I'm using that one. And as for the next one, I'm going to use that one. I just realized that some parts here are better equipped to stick. I don't know why. Okay, let's do 2 minutes. Oh no, timer. So what I'm going to use right now is to place it here. Oh man, wow. There's not enough space. Oh, I need to grab thermometer for the fish. It's just in Fahrenheit, not in Fahrenheit degrees. And where is... oh, I just realized I need another one. This one is sort of flicking, changing the sides of these 2 fillets. Maybe I'm going to try from this batch. Oh, it's super pretty. Wow. It's hot and it's very spices. So, like, it's very nice. Oh, no, I need to... oh. Man. Let's check the temperature. And according to the website, I'm aiming for 145. So it looks like the fish is ready. So this is one goes here. Oh man, another one. Oh man. Oh man. Just let me check the fish. So I was in a hurry, that's why that's the result. Perfect. What was that? Just, wow, that's perfect. Okay. So this one's ready to place and make it 2 minutes. Like, oh my god. But meanwhile, I'm going to remove potatoes. Where's here? I'm going to remove potatoes from the oven. Well, like this. And another one. Oh my god. And what I'm going to do with these potatoes is to use that one, and just, this is like a tricky one, how to use it. Okay, so this one's ready, and maybe some of this, like that. Oh, this one is more to it, and I'm going to use some tongs. Oh, like, oh, okay. I need to take another one. It's not easy to flip fish, you know, it's just quite an accomplishment. Place it here. It's like, okay. And what I'm going to do is place like that. Not sure about the almond slices because I realized that it's not a good combination here because of the texture, the shape, and hardness. And as for this mixture, I'm going to place it as an optional, like into these small bowls like this. And if someone is interested, you can use that. And let me check the temperature. Yeah, it's ready. One more time. It's ready. So turn on the gas and place it here like that. And this is the result. Look at this. Smaller portion and a bigger portion. And this originally the idea was to place this topping on top, like place topping onto fish. But I prefer this solution. So thank you for watching and happy cooking.